Hi guys, I just recorded you a 10-minute video, but my phone was put vertically, not horizontally. So this is how good I am with all of this. So this is usually how my team reminds me about all of this. So this is going to be quicker. 3 points. Welcome to new copiers, current portfolio and the future of the portfolio. So let's dive right in. Number one, very warm welcome to about 700 new copiers. Obviously, Editor's Choice has helped a lot to put some new light onto the profile. So I'm very happy to welcome you. Stick around. We are here for the long term. So even if you joined a little bit on the top and are around zero at the moment, don't dismay. You've seen we made 40% last year. We're 24% in a quarter this year. Hopefully double that by the end of the year. So it's a marathon, not a sprint. And I'm very happy to welcome all of you. So make yourself at home. A lot of people have been with me for a year and been an instrumental part of the team, for the Meets team, MJ Copiers Club. A lot of new friends, and I very often refer to us as we, because a lot of you have pitched me ideas and kind of always engage with the feed and comment on the posts that I make. And so that's also very good, because I can see your opinion, see the stocks that you like, see the stocks you don't like, or your fears. This is very instrumental for me in order to manage the wealth of my copiers. That stands at 4.5 million at the moment USD. And you guys are like a part of the desk. In a bank, you would have a trading desk responsible for a certain region, a certain asset. So this is who you basically are. For me, I have a team of two at the moment, two American students working for me. They are currently in Luxembourg, and I am actually interviewing another one in about an hour for the summer as well. In terms of the current portfolio, I have rebuilt it a little bit as well. Around Easter, we build a more cash position. I let go of some losers and also reduce the risk in terms of small cap exposure to the portfolio. I bought a lot of Baidu at a perfect time with 18.2% in a little over a week, I think. So that's been a great swing. I'm at a golf course, so you see a golf painting behind me. And the swing has gotten much better. And both the golf one and the stock market one. I almost bought takeaway, Just Eat today, and after the price target increase from Morgan Stanley, and I see more and more opportunities like this. I now put quite a bit of cash into China 50, which is FTSE 50 index of biggest China stock, and I think they play perfectly to our portfolio of European and American stock. We have Brazil and India as well built into the portfolio, and I like China for being undervalued and big valuations. So I think it fits perfectly. Today we had a slump in the morning. We may let go of China Tower because that it's actually in the index. It's being bought by American Tower, so we may want to take profit from this position. One of my favorite is Boxlight. Massive amount of positive news. Gallery in London, partnership in Belgium. These guys are turning very interesting profit, and they are at attractive valuations. So they are showing the biggest risk in the portfolio, but they're probably one of my favorite stocks. Ascensus Surgical, we sold about half of the position at 6.5. Now we're at 3.4. So about half. We do need some positive news. Yesterday there was a negative article about ASXC, went 7% down, but we're actually strongly up on a day. So again, the power of diversification. We had a Peloton, Upwork going massively up. TBLT went at some point 12% up over a little bit bigger volume. So that's very interesting. We keep those smaller stocks, but in a smaller exposure, we let them grow exponentially. Some of them will, and we actually built companies like Baidu and a few others with a little bit larger cap. We have timed Nasdaq perfectly, so I'm very happy about that, because we have DQQQ at 20%. So just when the Nasdaq was kind of reaching the lows, I was actually tempted to buy some Apple. I was tempted to buy some Amazon. So I thought I might as well buy an ETF. So we have Facebook out of the mega caps. but TQQ did very well. I let some of it go yesterday to profit at about 20%. We will now watch very closely. In terms of the future of the portfolio, we still have a little bit of cash. I am trying to assess how much further we can still go, which I believe we will go long based on stimulus and what the Fed is doing, what Europe is doing, the vaccination, return to travel, 4 trillion savings, which 3 trillion is like over the top. So this money will go to retail investing, such as eToro. This will go to travel and leisure stocks, and so it will be quite interesting to see. And I'm already thinking about the future once we reach the top, and I'm thinking about shorting Netflix, I'm thinking about shorting Tesla, I'm thinking about commodities such as silver. There's one of you who works very hard in Budapest trying to predict all of those trends and impress me with them, so let's see how that will go. But all this to say that I think will go up. I have reasons to believe financial projections and models that tell me it will also go up. But I want to be prepared for the downturns. I've been managing the slowdown in March. I've been through a lot of corrections, slumps, and you know, I've been in business school in 08. So I do want us to benefit actually if the market goes down. So it's almost impossible to perfectly time, but I do want to be ready to come back to hedges and actually maybe double down on some of them if I see the metrics changing, and hopefully we will also be riding the wave of the green in that difficult month. So very important. I have a lot of skin in the game as well, so this is a very important portfolio. I'm ready for the black star. There's no equity raise needed. I'm largely over the 50k requirement for it. So if we double down from now from 4.5 million asset under management, we will receive a black star. So that's the next goal. Hopefully we'll make a conference with me very soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm actually having a call with my account manager of eToro in about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna get off now, and wishing you all the very best. Stay safe. Greetings from sunny Spain. I moved from sunny Portugal to sunny Spain, waiting for Luxembourg to be sunny. So if you want to watch some of this lifestyle, you can find me on Instagram. And overall, stay engaged. Let me know your favorite positions, favorite stocks. What are you thinking? It's always very interesting to hear. And I send you my best regards.